guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to know and find how to use the new Windows 11 File Explorer on our Windows, and we will learn the new things of that and the tricks. So enjoy the video and stay watch it until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Okay guys, we are going to work with the Windows new taskbar and learn what's going on, what's the new things of this Windows 11, what's the features of the Windows 11. Okay, I right click, you see the view. On the view part, you see the large icons, medium icons, small icons. Okay, when I press on the large icons, the icons become too large. I don't like it. The small icons, the icons become too small, and I choose medium icons. I like medium icons. On the viewport, you see this auto arrange icons. When you press on that, you cannot set or I can say arrange the icons yourself. That is not possible, and this is not good. I don't like it. I disable it and say it here. Align icons grid or the show desktop icons. When disable show desktop icons, all of your desktop icons will be disappear. Okay, I press on that, and when you disable that, the grid of the icons will be disappear. You should enable it. I enable it. I sort by for example, we are going to the tab, or I can say a folder like this. On here, when you right click and you will see the sort by. On sort by, you can press on the sort by name, sort by date, sort by type, sort by the size of that, or sort by tags. On here you see all of the things of the sort options. This is all of the things that you can sort your data on the folders. I mean, on the group by, you can group by name, it will be a group, or you can group by date, it will be like that. I don't want to group them here or disable it. Group by none. Okay, I didn't regroup because of that. These options will be disappear. Okay guys, these things about group by. Undo move. For example, you move something on another location. When you press Ctrl Z, it will be on the same place that it was. It will be on the past place that the folder was under. It will undo the things that you do. Okay, this all of the things about that. On the new part, when you press on new folder, you can create a folder, you can create shortcut, you can create, for example, Microsoft Access database and the other things on here. On the display settings, you will see the displays. You can set the night flies, you can press on the HDR and do other things. Learn more about the HDI, is for the monitor display. You can do these things, for example, display orientation, which is landscape, and it will be portrait, it will be like this. And the graphic, learn about your graphic, learn about your display, the resolutions, the depth, color format, and the refresh rate. You can see these things, and if you want, you can change it and display. On the personalize option, when you go on that,
you can change the themes, change the background, change the color, and change the other things. If you want to learn more about these things, I will put a link on here, or I can say it is a video for customize your background of Windows 11. I created. You can press on that and watch it. Open in Windows Terminal. When press on that, what's going on? Windows PowerShell is enabled. Is not is it is for an app that I installed. Most of you didn't see this. Most of the Windows that you just install it, you won't see this option. But I install an app and I will see it. Okay. When you press Shift plus F10 is the shortcut of that, or you can press Show More Options. For example, I press on the logo. I didn't see the Windows 10 options and all of the options. I press on that, I see this. Open, pin to quick access. These are for the Git, the share it, these apps that I do. Scan it with Microsoft, add to archive, for example, make an image file with the power reserve, send to, cut, copy, create a shortcut, delete, rename, and the properties of that. Also, you can right click and see the properties. Copy as path, compress to zip file, pin to start, pin to quick access. You will see these options, but the fully options it will be in here. Okay, this is things about that. On here on the top side, what's going on? Let me go to this folder again. Okay, I'll teach you in this folder. On new part, when you press new folder are things that I told you. And for example, if you click on this, you will see the cut, the copy, the rename, share, delete, sort that we talk about it, view, large icons, small icons, detail, titles, these things. Set as background, when you press it, it will set as the background. Rotate left, rotate right, and the picture will be rotated. On here it will be more options. Burn it to the disk, undo, select all of the things selected. These are the fully options of that. Oh, I say it as background. Okay, on here select all, select none, invent selections, and all of the things will be selected except these. And properties, for example, the size of that, the security details, previous versions. For example, if you have backup, you'll see these options. When you again press it on the options part, you'll see, for example, folder options, general view, search, the all of the important things that you'll see. Okay, this is the paste option. And on the view tab, I told it on the start what's going on. On the options, you can change the options. For example, you can change the view, change the search settings, change the view settings, change the general part, this type of the things. And let me check. Nice, there are things for you. Compact view. When you press on the compact view, on the view, the compact view, all of the things will be like Windows 10. As you can see, it's not cool and nice like Windows 11. When I disable it, you'll see the changes. It will make the quick access and this, not all of the things. For example, change all of the icons or icons. It will remove the margins, the paddings of these. Let me again do it. You see, it will like the Windows 10. And when I disable it, it will be as fast as possible like the past. On here, for example, when I go to this part, press on that, before pressing on that. For example, on the show details pane, when I press, I will see the details. For example, preview pane, I will see the photo on the view part. Item checkbox says file name extensions, and I will see the hidden items. If you hide some files or folders, when you press on the hidden items, you see the hidden items that you hide them. On the new video, that after this video or after 2 videos I will share it, you see how to hide the folder and all of the things about that. So subscribe the channel and you learn these type of things. I'll disable it because I don't want to view it like that. Okay, all of the things done, and we talk about all of the things, and this is all of the things about the new Windows 11 options and other things. On the personalize, I will set my background this again because I don't like this. What is going on? It's like it was like a country flag. I don't know, I don't remember which country, but it is like that. Okay, I like this then, and all of the things done. I hope you like this video. I will stop recording. Is the all of the things about the new Windows 11. I hope you like it.